Hi, welcome to Ram's Kitchen Goa. We are meeting after a long time. Today, I am going to bring you a new recipe, rice crackers. What is this rice crackers? I am going to make from the leftover rice that anyway, we cook the rice and sometimes it gets leftover. We are not going to waste that rice. I am going to take that rice, adding two ingredients, that is chili and garlic. That's all, just two ingredients, and making a paste out of it, the rice and this paste. Add the salt, that is a common, and maida I'm going to add it because the binding should not break. This is a few ingredients and make it in a small balls. What we will be doing is to fry it in the oil for some time. Once you fry it and the one side is over, just turn it over. Don't do it fast because it will break. And after that, once it is fried, you remove it out and you will have a fantastic rice crackers ready. Why we have kept the name rice crackers? Because once you eat, you will feel the crispiness and the sound out of it. That's the reason we have kept the name rice crackers to this. So now, whenever you have a leftover rice, don't worry, we can use that and make a beautiful recipe, rice crackers. Let's go to the kitchen and see how we are going to make the rice crackers. Rice crackers is ready. You can hear the sound of the cracking sound if you so crispy and tasty. Try it out. It's a very easy recipe and just send your feedback. We'll come back with more and more recipes. Thank you guys for watching this show.